Hey, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today's an exciting day. We're going to be working on our wheel well delete. So this piece is going to go in the trunk where I've cut out, you've seen previously. So today I got to clean this piece up. It's been sitting for some years, so I'm going to wire wheel it all off, clean it up, and it's already trimmed down, it's already fitted, and I'll show you that after it's cleaned up. I'm going to prep the surface in there. We're going to drop this in and get it welded up. Safety first. There we go, we got it all cleaned off, both sides. Give it a little wipe down. Now we're going to drop it in. So I thought I had this piece trimmed to fit pretty well already, and that was over a month ago. It doesn't seem to fit as well as I thought. So I'm gonna have to do a little bit of trimming to get everything to line up perfectly before I start to tack it in. The fitment is pretty nice. Super happy with this. It's gonna look great. And easy access to everything else, which is a huge bonus. So we're gonna get ready to weld this up. I'm going to start with slowly tacking it as I go around. So I welded all the way around. She's all sealed. It warped on me quite a bit, but I'm really not too worried about it. I just need to mount my battery over to the side here, but I'll figure that out once this all cools down. I'm gonna grind these welds down and clean it up. We're gonna wrap this video up here. I got a little more work to do before I can paint it because I gotta mount the battery. So for now, we're just gonna leave it there. This looks like it turned out really nice. Super happy with it. And underneath, just in case, I know there's some pinholes and whatever, so I ran a bead of RTV around it. That should be good enough. I wanted to paint everything the body color like I did with the battery tray delete. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to do that now after putting the black RTV down, but we'll see. Not a big deal. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to tune in to the next one where I mount the battery tray and get this all situated. Shortly after that, we can finally get the exhaust mounted and fire this up for the first time. You don't want to miss that soon. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.